yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Naam. اليوم إن شاء الله نحن سنكمل الدرس أو درس الفعل المبني للمجهول. So we have done this part. صحيح. فعل الماضي مبني للمجهول. But I believe we have not done the exercises. Okay, before we do the exercises, so let's just do quick recap of what we have learned on the topic of al-fi'l al-madi mabni lil majhul. So basically mabni al-madi mabni lil majhul, this is the fi'l which is built for the unknown fa'il, which means that the fi'l has no fa'il. So it is actually in the passive voice. Now, for example, shariba, drinks, but when we say was drank, it is shuriba. Okay, so akhaza, take or took, ukhiza, was taken. So how do we form from the normal fi'l to mabni lil majhul? Is by changing the haraka of the first letter. Okay, the first letter you should put a dhamma. Okay, so we will put a dhamma, shu, and then you look for the letter, the second last letter. The ba is the last letter, so the ra is the second last. So the second last letter is should have a kasrah. So now it becomes shu riba, ukhiza. Okay, so that is the general rule of al-fi'lu al-madi al-mabni lil majhul. But of course, we have also seen, for example, if the fi'l has harful illa. Okay, if you have harful illa in the middle, especially, if you have this ba'a, sell, you want to say was sold. Okay, so what do? We change this alif to the ya. Okay, and then it becomes bi'a, bi'a. And the rest is for fi'l with more than 3 letters, 4, 5, and 6 letters. So basically, the same rules still apply. So you put a dhamma, and then you put a kasrah before the last letter, which is mim. Okay, but since this involves more letters, so here they change the second letter as well. Okay, from tasallama, now it becomes tusullima. Tusullima, okay, was received. And as for the 6-letter fi'l, ista'mala, again, you put a dhamma, us, and then the mim, mi. Since, again, since this has more than 3 letters, so the third letter you put a dhamma as well. So ista'mala becomes ustu'mila. Okay, so these are the rules. How do you change from fi'l madi mabni lil ma'lum to al madi mabni li al majhul? Naam. Okay. I believe we have not done this, the tadrib al-awwal. Belum kan? Okay, now let us go to the exercises quickly. Tadrib al-awwal, imla il faragatil atiya bi fi'lin madin. So we want fi'l madin. And then in the same time it is majhul, or the proper word is mabni lil majhul. Okay, so make sure your fi'l madi is in the majhul form, mabni lil majhul. Okay, let us look at al-jumla al-ula. Al-Qur'anu fil masajid. So what happened to the Quran in masajid? So anybody? Normally we will say I read the Quran. Okay, or I memorize the Quran. Now we want to say the Quran is read, the Quran is memorized.
Quri'a.
Quri'a.
Al-Quran fil masajid.
Masajid. Okay, Quri'a. Naam, sahih. So when we say Quri'a, we mean that the Quran was read in the masajid. Naam, sahih. So instead of qara'a, we change to Quri'a. Okay, so that is one answer. Yes, sahih. Quri'a al-Quran. So we don't bother with the fa'il. Who is the fa'il? It is not important because this is mabni lil majhul. The fa'il is unknown. Quri'a. Naam. How do we say the Quran was memorized in the masjid? Memorized, the fi'l is hafaza. So how do we say was memorized?
Hufiza.
Hufiza. Naam. Sahih. So another suitable word is hufiza. Okay. So these are the suitable answers for rakam wahid. Al-an rakam isnan. Rakam isnan al-lahmu indal ghada. Al-lahmu indal ghada. Laham, meat. So meat, what happened to the meat during lunch, ghada? So what happened to the meat? So in the normal sentence, you will say, I eat the meat. But now the meat was eaten. We want to say was eaten or the meat was served. Now, how do we say was eaten? Was eaten.
Ukila ke Ustaz?
Ila. Okay.
Ukila.
Ukila. Naam, sahih. No, the normal fi'il will be akala. But now we want to use it in the majhul form, so we change to ukila. Okay, ukila. So for 3-letter fi'il, it is very simple. Ukila, fu'ila. Naam. Ukila al-lahmu inda al-ghada. Naam, sahih. Or maybe we can say it is served. It is served during lunch. So how do we say serve? Okay, the normal fi'il is a'adda. A'adda. Or prepared, sorry. A'adda is to prepare. Now we want to say was prepared. So what do you think? What will happen to the fi'il? From a'adda, naam.
Uidda.
Uidda, naam, sahih. Uidda, naam. Uidda was prepared. Okay, good. So this is again the mabni li al-majhul. Sahih. Rakam salasa. An-nafizatu indal har. Nafiza, the window. Indal har. During har bermakna hot, when it is hot. So what do you do to the nafiza when it is hot? Normally we will say, I open the nafiza. But now we want to say the nafiza was open. So find the word open first, to open, and then change to was open. Starts with fa.
Fataha, ya Ustaz.
Fataha. Fataha is to open. That is in the ma'lum form. But now we want to change to was open. So what do we do?
Futiha.
Futiha, good. So now we have the fi'il, futiha. Okay. But now you have also look at the word following the fi'il. If it is a mu'annas word, then you have to do something to the fi'il.
Futihatu.
Futi. Again. Siapa tadi? Syafiqah ke?
Futihatu ke?
Futihat. Futihat. Just like when you say zahaba, for male we say zahaba, for female we say zahabat, fi'il madhi. Okay, so here the same ta is applied. So we use the same ta because the next word is a mu'annas word. So instead of futiha, we say futihat. Okay, but the fi'il itself is futiha. Naam. Okay, so futihatin nafizatu, the window was open. Naam. Al-an rakam arba'a, as-sahnu ba'da al-akli, the plate. Okay, the plate after eating. So what do we do? What is done, or what was done to the plate after eating? We want to say wash, for example. Wash. The plate was washed after eating. So how do you say to wash? Start with rain. Anyone? Rain. Rain sin.
Gusila.
Sahih. Gusila. Naam. Sahih Hafiza. Gusila. Naam. So normally you will say ghasala, to wash. But now we want to say has been washed or was washed. Then we say gusila. Gusila sahnu. Okay. So it is not important who washed. Not important. Naam. Gusila sahnu ba'da al-akli. Sahih. Wa rakam khamsa. Rakam khamsa, az-zakatu fi syahri Ramadan. Zakat during the month of Ramadan. So what was done to the zakat? Zakat was when zakat was paid. Naam, sahih. So how do we say paid? Was paid. How do you say to pay? And then change to was paid. To pay we say dal, fa, Ain. This is to pay. So how do you say was paid?
Dufi'a.
Dufi'a. Okay, good. Dufi'a. And then what else should we do?
Dufi'at.
Correct. Yes. So you have to look at the next word as well. So what was paid? Zakah. So zakah, since this is muannas, so you need to have the ta. So this is similar to the normal rule of fi'il and also fa'il. Okay, but the difference is that here it is using the fi'il majhul. Naam. So we say dufi'at az-zakah. Naam, sahih. So has naam. Yes.
Yang nombor 5 tu, what if we use fu'ilat? Boleh tak?
Fu'ilat az-zakah tu.
Melakukan zakat.
The zakat was done. No, we don't say fu'ila zakat. Fu'ila, fa'ala, you do with an action. You use the word fa'ala with another action. Fa'ala zakat. I've never heard people say that. So we don't say fu'ila zakat. We say dufi'a zakat. Okay, now. Or now, dufi'a zakat. Yes. Any other question? Okay, that is haza huwa at-tadribul awal. To find the suitable fi'il mabni lil majhul. Naam. Al-an al-tadribu thani. At-tadribu thani, hawil al-af'al al-madiyah al-mabniyah lil majhul ila af'al madiyah mabniyah lil ma'lum. Okay, so here what we need to do is we need to change the fi'il madi which is mabni lil majhul. So these are all mabni lil majhul. Okay, we need to change to af'al madiyah mabniyah lil ma'lum. Mabni lil ma'lum, this is the normal fi'il. The fi'il which is built for the known fa'il. Ma'lum here is referring to the fa'il which is known. So which means this is the regular fi'il. So how do we do this? If you want to know the regular fi'il, the only way is by referring to the dictionary, qamus. Okay, unless if the fi'il is more than 3 letters. So if it is more than 3 letters, for example, number 3 or number 5, you can refer to the wazan that we have learned. Is it fa'ala? Is it istaf'ala? Is it tafa'ala? Okay, but if it is 3-letter fi'il, then we need to refer to the dictionary. Let us try this. And then they say, summa a'id kitabatal jumlah. And then you repeat. A'id bermakna repeat, kitaba, writing. So you rewrite the sentences. Ma'a taghyir ma yalzam, and change what is needed to be changed, what is necessary. So what is necessary here, for example, the ta. Do you add the ta for mu'annas or without ta? Okay, so this is what it meant here. Okay, now let us look at al-jumla al-ula. Kusira al-ka'su. Kusira al-ka'su, the cup was broken. Cup. Al-ka'su, cup. So the cup was broken. So it can be the cup that you drink, or it can be the cup like the World Cup. Okay, the cup. Kusira al-ka'su. So it was broken. So now we want to change to somebody broke the kas. So you need to add a fa'il, a person. Now, anyone? One try. First, we need to find what is the fa'il. Well, sorry, what is the normal fi'il for kusira? Of course, the letters will be the same. The letters will be kaf, sin, and also ra. But how do we read this? This is very important.
Kasiro.
Naam.
Kasiro.
Kasira. Okay, let us try this. Kasira. Okay, for fi'il madi, yes. If it is 3-letter fi'il, from what you have learned in the beginning of the semester when we talk about the wazan for fi'il madi. Sorry. When we talk, okay. Next, when we talk about the wazan for fi'il madi, we have learned that fi'il madi, the pattern or the wazan is either fa'ala, fa'ila, or fa'ula. Okay, so these are the patterns. So just now Shafiqah said fa, kasira. Kasira. Okay, so the first part is correct. The third part is correct. But the problem is the middle part. Here we do not know which one is the correct one. Is it kasira, fa'ila, or fa'ala, kasara, or fa'ula, kasura? So we need to refer to the dictionary. So if you refer to the dictionary, they will say that this word is kasara. Okay, it is not kasira. So we say kasara. Now, so kasara. Okay, now we have the fi'il. So we need to add a person. Since this is fa'il, this is fi'il mabni lil ma'lum for the known fa'il. So you have to mention the fa'il. Who kasara? Just put a person. The fa'il.
Talib.
Naam. Naam, Hafizah.
Talib.
Talib. Talib. Okay, so you say kasara talibu. Naam. So the talib, so he broke. Okay, what did he break? Al-Kas. Naam. So here, the word Kas. Okay, we write the word Kas again. Kusira talib al-Kas. Okay, al-Kas. But when we write this, the structure is, this is the fi'il, this is the fa'il, now this is the maf'ul bih. So how do we read a maf'ul bih? Ka'su, ka'sa, or ka'si?
Baksa.
Ka'sa. Okay. So if you notice here, so this is what we need to change from ka'su to ka'sa. Why? Because in this
Follow
sentence,
the kasaro.
yes.
Follow the first word kasaro, right?
Yes, because this is now the fi'il is mabni lil ma'lul, the normal fi'il, where normal fi'il you will have fi'il, fa'il, and also maf'ulun bih. So here this is the maf'ulun bih, that is why we read with al-ka'sa, sa. But here the word ka'su is not al-ka'sa because here it is not a maf'ulun bih. Because why? Because the fi'il is not a normal fi'il. So if it is not a normal fi'il, it is mabni lil majhul, you will never have a maf'ulun bih. For most of the time, you will never have maf'ulun bih. So that is why here we read al-ka'su. Okay, na'am. Okay. Al-an, al-jumlatu thaniyah, musiha ad-dars. The lesson was, musiha was wiped. So the ustaz, for example, he wiped the lesson on the whiteboard. So musiha ad-dars, so the lesson was wiped. Okay, so how do we say wipe in the ma'lum form, in the normal form?
Masaha.
Masaha, yes, we can try with fa'ala. Okay, and then we check in the dictionary. Yes, so the word is correct. The word is masaha. So now it is in the normal form, ma'lum. So we need to have a fa'il. So for the fa'il, it can be then just like the previous one, talib or another name. But or you can also use the domir, ana, I wipe, he wipe, anta, masahtu. So it doesn't matter. Okay. So for example, here we just add another fa'il. Who wiped the lesson? For example, al-ustaz. Al-ustaz masaha dars. So how do we read the word dars now? Darsu or darsa?
Darsa.
Darsa. Again, this is similar to ka'sa because now in this sentence, the word dars is a maf'ul bih. Okay, whereas in the first one, it is not a maf'ul bih. This is something else that we will see inshallah later. Baik. Masaha. Nah, rakam salasa. Okay, rakam salasa. Now this is 3-letter fi'il. This is this is more than 3 letters. Ustuqbila daifu. Ustuqbila daifu. The daif, the guest was received, was welcomed. Okay, so we want to say welcome or receive. So somebody welcomed the guest, or somebody received the guest. So what is the fi'il for this? Okay, if you look at this word, istaf'ala. Ustuqbila. So this is similar to what is the wazan that is similar to this? From the wazan that we have learned. Is it af'ala? Is it tafa'ala? Is it istaf'ala? If you still remember the wazan. This is
Istaf'ala.
Istaf'ala, good. Because you see the alif, sin, and ta, right? This alif, 3, sin, ta, these are the 3 additional letters. So we just add the 3 additional letters. Alif, sin, ta, istaf'al. And from our lesson, how do we read this? We will say istaf'ala. Okay, so that is the normal form. That is the fi'il for ma'lum. So from ustuqbila, you just change to istaf'ala. So what is the fi'il now?
Istaqbala.
Istaqbala, yes, good. Okay, so now the normal fi'il will be istaqbala. Yes, because why? Because it follows the wazan of istaf'ala. So this is what I mentioned earlier. If it is 3-letter fi'il, there's no way that you can know the normal fi'il unless you refer to the dictionary. But if it is 4, 5, and 6 letters, you can always refer to the wazan. So wazan will tell you. So here is istaf'ala. There is no other way that you can read the word. So we say istaf'ala. So now the fi'il is istaqbala. So we have the correct fi'il. Istaqbala, okay, has received or welcome. Okay, just put the fa'il. Who welcomed the guest? Or who received the guest? So maybe we can say the principal received the guest. Anyone? The word principal? School principal or manager?
Mudir.
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 Sahih. Naqul istaqbala. Istaqbala al-mudiru ad-daif. Daifa. Now it becomes the maf'ul bih. Okay. So this is the mabni li al-ma'lum. Mabni li al-ma'lum. Naam. So again, as we have also mentioned, all words, all the fi'il in the dictionary, they are all in the mabni lil ma'lum form. Okay, you will have to change to majhul on your own. Al-an, rakam 4, bi'atil bida'ah, bi'at, but since you have alif lam, you can put a kasrah just to join the two words. So we say bi'atil bida'atu rakhisatan. The good was sold cheaply. Rakhis, cheap. So it was sold cheaply, very cheap. Naam. So how do you say somebody sold the goods cheaply? So the fi'il is bi'a. Oh, okay, I have already written the word here.
Ba'a.
Ba'a. Okay. So if you look at the fi'il here, you have this harful illa. So from our lesson, we said that harful illa is either alif or ya. Sometimes they are interchangeable. So in this case, bi'a, the original fi'il is actually ba. So it is not ya, it is the ain. So this is the original fi'il, the normal fi'il, ba'a. So what about this ta? It depends. If in this jumla you have the ta because what was sold, bida'ah, you have the ta. But when you change to mabni lil ma'lum, here it will depend on the fa'il that you will mention. So if the fa'il is muzakkar, of course the fa'il is remains ba'a, it remains ba'a. But if you change this to muannas, then you have to change to ba'at. Okay, so for this jumlah, okay, who ba'a? Okay. Who is the fa'il?
Tajir.
Tajir. We want to say at-tajir. Na'am. At-tajir bima'na
Merchant.
merchant. Na'am, sahih. So ba'a tajiru, what did he sell? Al-bida'ah. So now the word bida'ah becomes the normal maf'ul bi. And how? Rakhisatan. This is the hal that we have learned in one of our lesson. Hal. How was the good when it was sold? It was sold very cheap. Rakhisatan. Okay. Now, faba'a, bi'a becomes ba'a. Wa akhiran rakam 5, ulija. Ulija. So if you look at the fi'il, and then you have kasra. So you know this is mabni lil majhul. So what is the mabni lil ma'lum? Ulija bimakna was treated. So the patient was treated. The patient was treated. Naam. So who treated the patient? We want to change to the normal form. What do you think? Here, this is the 4-letter fi'il. So the fi'il should match one of the wazan that you have learned. Fa'ala, fa'ala, istaf'ala, which one? Af'ala, fa'ala, which one? What do you think? Here you have a waw. So waw, harful illa. So it must be changed to something else. Another harful illa. So for the normal fi'il, how do you read? So before that, so this is the 4-letter fi'il. So what are the 4-letter wazan that you have? 4-letter wazan for the fi'il. We have af'ala. This is 4-letter wazan. We have what else? We have fa'ala. We have fa'ala. We have 3 wazan. Which one do you think is the suitable wazan for ulija? Anyone? Which one? The clue is here. Or if you know the original fi'il, which is the ain, the lam, and the jim. These are the root word. Ain, lam, jim, where the waw, this is the additional letter. So with that, okay, what is the wazan? So you just replace this with fa, this ain, and this is lam.
Af'ala.
Af,
Bukan.
no, because if you say af'ala, then you will add another alif. Okay, so this is to say that af'ala is not the wazan. What about fa'ala? Can you say fa'ala only ja? Fa'ala here, what do you have? We have a shaddah. We do not have any shaddah. Okay, so again, this is also not a suitable wazan for only ja. What about fa'ala?
Fa'ala. Sebab dia tambah alif je kat tengah tu ganti waw.
Yes, fa'ala. Because here, if you look at the fi'il, this is the fa, and then you have one additional letter, and then this is the lam. This is the ain, this is the lam. This is the fa, you have one additional letter, ain and lam. So it matches this wazan, fa'ala. So the normal fi'il would be fa'ala. What will happen to the waw? Will be changed to alif. And the rest remain. So from only ja, the normal fi'il is alaja. Alaja. It follows this wazan, fa'ala. Alaja, fa'ala. And then from fa'ala, it becomes fu'ila. Okay, so this is the fi'il mabni lil ma'lum, alaja. Okay, now we write the sentence. Alaja. Okay, give me a fa'il. Who treated the patient?
Tabib. Doktor.
Doktor. At-tabib. Naam. At-tabib. Naam. At-tabib. Alaja at-tabib. Alaja tabibu al-marid. Sahih. Al-marida, the maf'ulun bih, and al-tabib is the fa'il. Okay, so these are the al-ijabah for the tadrib al-thani. Okay, where we reverse the process. We change from mabni lil majhul to mabni li al-ma'lum. Okay, nah. Al-an na'ti ila jim. Na'ti ila jim. Jim, hawil al-af'al al-madiyah min al-mabniya lil ma'lum. So these are all fi'il mabni lil ma'lum, the normal fi'il. Change it to mabni lil majhul. So we want mabni lil majhul, and then you put it in the sentence. Okay, so for mabni lil majhul, you just add another word. That is enough. So you have the fi'il, and then what have the object that happen, the object of that following the fi'il. Now, so hafiza, first we have the fi'il hafiza. Hafiza is to, what does it mean, hafiza?
Memorize.
Hafiza, this is your name. Memorize. And so hafiza, it can be to memorize or to keep. To keep. You keep something, you say hafiza. Why memorize is also called hafiza? Because you keep it in our mind. Hafiza, so we keep it. Okay? Hafiza, or we memorize it. Now you want to say was memorized. Okay, this should be easy because this is 3-letter fi'il.
Hufiza.
Hufiza, naam, good. So 3-letter fi'il is easy. Hufiza. So just make a sentence. What was memorized?
Quran.
Al-Quran.
Yes, from our sentence we say Al-Quran. Maybe we can use another word, the surah. Surah Al-Mulk, for example, or Surah Yasin was memorized. Surah Yasin. Okay, if now the word is surah instead of Quran, we say surah. What do you do? What do you need to do to the fi'il? Or is it already correct? Do you need to do anything to the fi'il? Now remember, the next word is surah. It is a mu'annas word.
Tambah ta ke kat belakang.
Yeah, hufizat. Why hufizat? Because now the one that is memorized
It's mu'annas.
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 Okay, so again, this is similar to the normal fi'il and fa'il. Just that we don't call this fa'il anymore. We call it the na'ib of the fa'il, the deputy of na'il, the replacement of a fa'il. Okay, because you don't have any fa'il, so the maf'ulun bih becomes the na'ib of the fa'il. Okay, we will talk about that, inshallah. Next, number 2, istakhdama, use. Now you want to say was used. or has been used. So, okay, this is now the 6-letter fi'il. So what will happen to the fi'il? Istakhdama.
Ustukhdima.
Good. Ustukhdima. Yes. Ustukhdima. So this is, okay, the rule says that the first letter is U, and the next, the second last is with a kasrah. What about in the middle? The middle, if it is a sukun, you just put a sukun. But if it has another fathah or kasrah, so in this case, you follow the first letter. So now it becomes ustukhdi. The last letter is always with the fathah because that is the signature of fi'il madi. So all fi'il madi will end it with a fathah. Ustukhdima. You cannot say ustukdimu or ustukdi. Yes. So ustukdima, use. Now we want to make a sentence. What was used? Ustukdimal. You just add one word. What was used? Anyone? What was used? Any object?
Pen, kolamu.
Al-qalamu. Naam. Ustukdimal qalam. Good. Ustukdima al-qalamu. Okay. So the word following immediately after the fi'il mabni lil majhul is normally, it normally ends with a dhamma. Okay, dhamma. Yes. So you say ustukdima al-qalamu. Good. Ustukdima al-qalamu. Then you don't need to say ustukdima Ali. No. If you want to mention the name, then you have to change ustukdima to the normal fi'il again. Istakhdama. Naam. Rakam salasa da'a. Invite. Invite. Da'a ila, we say. Da'a ila, to invite. Okay, now, if you look at the fi'il, here we have harful illa. So harful illa will have to be changed to something else. So before we change it, change this to the mabni lil majhul form. So da'a becomes do. What about the ain? A or E? The second last. Just like hafiza, hufiza.
Du ila.
Do
Ila. Du ia ke?
Okay. So now we have this do and E. But the problem is with the last letter. The last letter, according to our lesson, you will put a fathah. Okay, but the problem is that this is the letter alif, harful illah. Harful illah should never have this fathah. You cannot, if you put a fathah, then it becomes the hamzah. It is not alif anymore. So that is why we don't put this. That is why we have to change this. Sorry, we have to change the alif to a suitable letter. What is the suitable letter for a fathah? Sorry, no, not suitable letter. In this case, if we follow the lesson, if you look at the rules, they say you will have to change this alif to ya. So now it becomes do, ya. Okay, this is only for the fi'il mu'tal that ends with a ya, with alif. So alif becomes ya, do, ya. Why ya? Why ya? Because that is the suitable letter for this kasrah. Okay, not wow. Wow, do, wa, or alif, do, a. No. So this is the correct word. So we say do, ya. Now we want to say somebody was invited, or he was invited to, masalan, to my house. We don't want to say who invite, we want to say he was invited. So how do you say that? Do'iya, put the person, put a name.
Ahmad.
Ahmad. Do'iya Ahmad. Sorry, Do'iya Ahmad ila
Al-Bait.
ila al-bait.
Al-Baita.
Al-bait. Okay. In this case, we don't say al-baita. Why? Because in this jumlah you have the harful jar ila. You cannot have a maf'ulun bih. Du'iyal Ahmad, since this is harful jar ila, then you have to end it with a jar, with kasrah. Baiti. Okay, because of harful jar. Nah, okay. So du'iya Ahmad ila al-bait. Nah, sahih. Rakam arba'an, ta'allama, learn. Ta'allama, learn. This is 5-letter fi'il. Ta'ain, lam, lam, mim. So change to mabni lil majhul. Was learn. Anyone? Mabni lil majhul for ta'allama.
Tu'ul lima.
Tu'ul lima. Yes, good. Sahih. tu'allima. Naam. So that is the mabni lil majhul. So we say tu'allima. Ta'allama, learn. Tu'allima was learned. So tu'allima, so what was learned?
Ad-dars.
Ad-dars. Good. So we say tu'allima ad-darsu. Naam. Tu'allima ad-darsu. The lesson was learned yesterday, for example. Amsi. Ams, yesterday. Naam. Okay, ta'allama tu'allima. Ta'allama tu'allima. Good. Ta'allama tu'allima. And last one, raja'a. Raja'a. Raja'a is to do revision, to make a revision, to revise your lesson. Raja'a. This is from the fi'l raja'a, to return, but here it is a different meaning. Raja'a. So what will happen to the fi'l? You want to say was revised. So here you have harfun illa. So harfun illa will be changed to a suitable letter. Okay, first, what do you do to the first letter, ra? As any fi'il mabni lil majhul, it becomes ru. What about the second?
Alif.
Ruji'a.
Tukar jadi ya.
Again. Okay, before we change this alif, what about the second last letter, the jim?
Ji.
G. Okay, so now you have the fi'il ra, alif, jin, ain. Okay, do you think the alif should remain or do you need to change to something else?
Change to something else.
What is the letter?
Wow.
Wow, yes, because that is the suitable letter for dhamma. Okay, because the previous harakat is a dhamma. So of course the suitable letter for dhamma is a wow. Okay, it is not alif, it is not ya. That is why here we change to dhamma. Okay, so the rest is similar, still same. You put a dhamma and then you put a kasrah. Nah. So when you deal with harfun illa, then you have to change it to a suitable harakat. Yes, roji'a, okay, was revised. So what was revised? Roji'a. The book was revised. Roji'a
Kitab.
kitabu. Nah, roji'a al-kitab. Okay, so this is the lesson on al-mabni li al-majhul. Okay, al-mabni lil majhul. Okay, any question? Mabni lil majhul for fi'il madhi. Naam, alhamdulillah.